just wanted to...
I told you so many times, Starry, that you have static electricity. Please do not touch me if I'm not ready. Okay.
Annie, is this our new home? It's so beautiful.
I still haven't finished it. Oh, Starry, not now. Maybe you can ask GPU to help.
Oh, good idea. It just upgraded. You know the Stargate is going to open. The Stargate is going to open on the 1st of January 2022. It will be a great time to see a lot of ARTIBots.
It is so quick. I'm not getting ready. It opening here? Oh, here is too small. No. It's too small. Oh, too small. Hi, GPU. You want a bag? Next time please make a big one. I have to wait.